Hello all, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how automatic purchase order can be created for a material purchase requisition and for service purchase requisition as well. So first of all, a material purchase requisition. Here one do not need to create or make any configuration settings. Everything will work out through prerequisites. So first one, in material master, purchasing view, one should activate automatic PO checkbox. This is the first mandatory prerequisite. Likewise, in vendor master, purchasing tab, there is another one, automatic purchase order, a similar checkbox. This has to be ticked. Even in S4HANA also, in business partner role FLVN01, which is supplier. In that, if we go to purchasing screen, there this checkbox is visible. Once we give any purchase organization and enter, then this checkbox will be visible. This has to be ticked. So once this is done, then system need a mandatory purchase info record. So for that, one can go and check in table level as well. The table to check an info record with respect to material and vendor is EINA. So this is the info record that is already created. Likewise, EORD is the source list that needs to be created. This is also a mandatory prerequisite. In order to check the source list in table level, the table is EORD, whereas one can go to ME03 in order to change or display. Here in source list, one has to keep this vendor as fixed vendor. Then while creating purchase requisition, we should mandatorily give the material number, quantity, a delivery date, plant, storage location. Then system will ask to enter an info record. In source of supply tab, we can give the info record which is already created and the purchase organization. Then system will automatically figure out which one is the fixed vendor. This will happen in a connection, like the given info record and with the purchase organization, system will check a vendor, and accordingly system will check if there is any source list existing for this material and the vendor. And as we have checked the vendor as fixed vendor, system automatically has populated this fixed vendor. Now save the info record, save the purchase requisition. Once this is saved, then we'll go to /n me59n transaction. Here we have to give the requisition that is created and execute. Here we can see system automatically has created a purchase order. So this is the purchase order that is automatically created because of the prerequisites we have maintained. This is the case of automatic PO for material purchase requisition, which means a purchase requisition which is having a material. Now what about a service purchase requisitions? A purchase requisition which is service relevant can also be converted automatically into a purchase order. In order to do so, it needs a few prerequisites. One of them is one has to go to ML91 and here have to give the material group and tick the automatic PO generation for service purchase requisitions. Usually this is a configuration setting. In order to go to this configuration path, one has to go to SPRO IMG materials management, external service management, source determination and default values. Here previously we have seen for purchase for client level, which means whether this material group which is used across all the plants for a client, it is applicable. If business want to use a material group for a specific purchase organization, then also it can be given here. And a automatic PO generation for service requisitions needs to be ticked. Once this is done, then it needs an info record. So here in our case, we can create an info record without having any material. So here our purchase organization is 3000, plant 3000. Okay. One can go to EIN. So this is the info record that is created. So without material, an info record is created and we have maintained a price. So now we can go ahead and create a purchase requisition. So in source of supply we can see a fixed vendor and purchase organization automatically coming. This is because of the info record we have maintained. So now save this. So a purchase requisition has been created. Now again we can go to ME59N transaction, remove everything and give the purchase requisition and execute. So we can see a service purchase order has been created automatically. So the prerequisites needed are: a material group needs to be assigned in ML91 transaction, and an info record without material can be created but with the material group that has been assigned in ML91 transaction. Once these two are done, then we can create a purchase requisition and execute ME59N transaction. This is how automatic purchase orders can be created from material purchase requisition or service based purchase requisition. Thanks for watching. If you feel this is helpful, please subscribe. Thank you.